How many times have you felt your home heavily charged with negative energy? Today, I have a spectacular recipe to repel negative energy using vinegar. In the questions, one of our friends, guess what? Well, she checks her husband's phone because of, I don't know, some things. I'll tell you in a bit what I want to tell you, my queen. And, of course, the message from your angels. This and much more in a moment. We all want abundance, triumph, success, prosperity, for things to flow, to fall into place, to happen. And how can I achieve all that? It is achieved with tenacity, perseverance, patience, prudence, dedication, commitment. Sometimes we see how others achieve many things, and instead of admiring or asking, we envy. Envy is just admiration for the other person, because to achieve success, triumph, abundance, and prosperity, my phrase goes like this: success and triumph are the result of continuous effort. Yes or yes. And that's it. Thank you very much. There are more and more of us in this great family of our channel every time. Thanks for subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, and hitting the bell. And of course, also follow us on social media, Mizada Mohamed, all verified, and we are also on TikTok. Thank you for repeating my phrases. They fill my soul with so much joy. And in the question section, where you can send your questions to miza@movic.mx. The question goes like this: my husband doesn't like to talk. Neither does mine, sister. He doesn't communicate with me at all. That's why, whenever I can, I just go ahead and check his phone to see what he's up to. I'm almost sure he likes his coworker because he has a lot of messages with her. What can I do? First of all, you're invading. With all due respect, my dear, you are invading his space. Usually, men don't communicate like we do. We want to communicate. We need to talk to our friends, our family, our neighbors. Men are more reserved, more direct. They don't communicate, I'll insist again, very much. But that thing about looking through his phone, his mobile phone, and you thinking he's with his coworker, you're not telling me what the messages actually say. Maybe it is a coworker, and I text a huge number of coworkers, and that doesn't mean I'm involved with my coworkers. I think you need to have a serious talk with him here. In a good way, reach an agreement on communication, go see someone who can provide therapy so you can have couples therapy, and understand that the male and female brain are totally different. There are so many books on the subject regarding the differences between our brains, the primitive brain, the cerebral cortex, and so on. We are different. Everything. Often they don't express themselves the way we want. How did it go? Good. What did you do? Well, a lot of things. And what happened? Well, nothing. That's just how they are. What really catches my attention, my dear, is that you go through his mobile, his cell phone. What are you looking to find? Because those who seek, find. Work things out with them so that you can find proper communication. There has to be a space where you can communicate. There are many books by Walter Riso that talk about relationships, which could also help you a lot. But don't look, honey, in his cell phone. That is a barbaric invasion of your husband's privacy. If you think he's with his coworker, well, just ask him straight up, directly. Don't go digging, my love. You are a very valuable, very wonderful being. Love yourself more, raise your self-esteem, your self-love. If you look, if you dig, you're gonna find something. Take things calmly. Don't waste time on things. Communication is important, but don't waste time looking through his phone. Seek support, seek help, talk to him, talk to yourself, and reach an agreement, my love. Because if the doubt is always going to be there, the worst thing that can exist in any type of relationship is doubt. When there is doubt, my child, should I continue or not? Reach an agreement, seek support. In a little while, we have, of course, Tu Angel Te Habla. Go ahead and ask your question. You know how it is. Direct, concise, and to the point. What do you want the angel to tell you? And of course, this recipe is great. Oh, to absorb, ward off, and reject negative energies. It's great, simple, affordable, and easy to do. Many times, and more, we encounter low, slow vibrations, bad energies, for whatever reason, for whatever it may be. We know whether it's within ourselves or third parties towards us or us towards third parties, and sometimes it's like the flu. You don't know who gave it to you, but, well, you've got the flu. This is exactly the same thing with negative energies. Our auric body gets contaminated, and our home or our work environment, professional life, or business also gets contaminated. This recipe, which is as simple, practical, and economical as it gets, will help reject negative energies, whether they're from others or your own, to dissolve them, they'll stay trapped right here in this little jar. Do it whenever you want, at any moment you like. It can be during any Luna Nueva. This isn't tied to any specific date. To get started, we are going to need a few simple ingredients. First, grab some white vinegar, and then find a small glass jar, or really any clean jar you have on hand will work perfectly fine. You will also need some coarse salt, and try to keep the grains as whole as possible for the best texture. Finally, make sure you have plenty of whole peppercorns ready to go. That is everything you need to begin. What we are going to do is the easiest thing, but the intention, the desire, and the energy you put into it are very important. Do it with joy, with happiness, with peace, with harmony. Keep a smile on your lips, and you will be saying that everything negative moves away from your home, from your person, from your loved ones, from your family. No type of negative energy invades my home. We live in harmony, peace, and serenity. We are gonna take 3 whole peppercorns. 3, that's enough. We don't need any more. 1, 2, 3. And we are also gonna add a few grains of coarse salt. And finally, don't forget to add the white vinegar. This little jar, just as it is, uncovered, exactly like that, you are going to place it as close as possible to the entrance door of your home. If you have children or our beloved little pets as well, put it up high. It really needs to be placed inside your home, ideally positioned very close to the main entryway so that whenever we walk through the door, all of our negative energy stays right here, trapped at the threshold. It is essential for maintaining a peaceful environment. If someone comes to my house, the negative energy stays here. If someone is sending bad energy my way, the negative energy stays here. I repeat, as close as possible to the entrance door of your home or business. At work, you can place it under your desk, and you'll see what great results it brings. And keep it up high, please. Up high if there are children or pets in the house. You're gonna leave it there until it evaporates 100%. When you see it has completely evaporated, all you have to do is wash the jar really well, throw the pepper and the coarse salt into the trash can outside your home, and that's it. Positive mental attitude. Think super positive, with enthusiasm, with spirit. This'll also help so there are no arguments in the home, and if there are, they stay here. Angels have signs, words, messages, sense. They manifest all day and at all hours. I am going to say different words, messages, signs. What you're going to do me the favor of doing right now is focus on your doubt, on what you want to know, on the concern you're carrying, or simply if you want to receive a message. I invite you to keep an angel diary and write down what I say each week, date it, and then mix them up. The one that passed, the one that just arrived, the one from several months ago, and you are going to have some wonderful answers. Are we ready? Let's get to it. Wonderful. I loved it because I asked questions too. I am the angel who is standing very close to you right now, here to offer you the gentle light, the profound peace, and the deep relief that your soul truly needs at this moment. Please know that those heavy problems that have been weighing on your heart and worrying you for such a long time are finally being resolved and fading away. Now is the perfect, right time to finally make those important decisions that you have been putting off for too long. I warmly invite you to move forward and act with unwavering faith, deep gratitude, and creative inspiration. You can attract absolutely everything you have in your mind to yourself. Whatever you've asked about, just go for it. That problem has a solution, and it'll be resolved shortly. Without emotional disturbances, communication is fluid, in harmony, and in perfect balance. Whatever you're going to face, talk about, and communicate will be understood clearly, directly, and perfectly. And once again, the angels pick a card, and it says gratitude. On 2 occasions, the cards tell me, through the angels, since they are angel cards, they say gratitude, thankfulness. So let's be grateful for what we are experiencing and trust that the solution is there. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for being part of this family. I send you much light, much peace, much love, many blessings. Thank you, Mob family. Bravo! Much light, love yourself a lot. I'm Mizada Mohamed. I love you all, and I want to see you thrive. Thank you very much for joining us. Subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with all our recipes, tips, and many topics we have for you. Much light, much peace, and much love.